Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing okay. Today I'll be creating a vase / lamp. First I'll be using these 3 trays that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just filling the inside of the tray with the Mod Podge. And you can use school glue, you don't have to use Mod Podge, but this is what I am using. So after I fill the bottom of the tray with the Mod Podge, I am going to go in with my rocks, but I'm going to show you guys how I actually make my rocks. So what I do is get a bag of rocks from the Dollar Tree, metallic spray paint, and glitter, and I spray the rocks and then sprinkle the glitter on top. And that is how you get bougie on a budget. So all I'm doing now is just filling my tray with my mirror rocks or my glitter rocks, whatever you want to call them. And I'm going to set this outside and let it dry. So I'm going to be doing a total of 3 trays. After the tray is dry, I am just going to simply add some embellishments that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Some little bling. And if you don't have embellishments, you can always just take the glue and go around the trim as you see me doing with the embellishments, and you can just do glitter around the trim. I think that'll still be pretty. So after that's done, I've done all 3 and it's time to start creating. So all I'm doing is pinning the first 2 together, and I'm just using these paper clips to hold them together while I glue the other side. And I'm going to just take my E6000 and go along the sides of the 2 trays. And then I'm going to get my hot glue gun and add my hot glue. And now I'm going to be taking my last tray and putting it in between the other 2 trays. And I'm also going with my hot glue gun and gluing the middle trays together where I had the clip originally. Now this part is up to you. You can decorate it more or you can leave it the way it is. But I just had this mirrored paper and I just folded it in half and put it down the middle, and I'm also going to do the sides the same way. So I cut out 2 triangles, and I'm going to be gluing this triangle to serve as the bottom of the lamp or vase. And this is how the vase looks. So beautiful, right? Now that's a vase under $5. Now if the vase is not good enough for you, keep watching. I'm going to create a lamp out of this. So I just covered the other triangle with some aluminum paper. It's not all that, but it's okay. Next I cut out 3 rectangles. One of the rectangles is 2 inches bigger than the others. And I'll be creating a triangle. I think this lamp will look cute with the circle lampshade also, but I just wanted to try something different. Next, I got these mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I just took them out of the frame, and I'm going to be using these for the shade of my lamp. And I'll be using more of that mirrored paper to cover the pieces that the mirror didn't cover. And after that is done, I am going to go ahead and use this piece of plastic that I cut from a knife set that I bought. That's all I had, y'all. So I'm just making sure the perimeter is glued down. And next, I just covered this empty tape roll like I've done before, duct tape roll, and covered it with the mirror tape. And I'm going to use that as the neck of my lamp. And now I'll be adding my lampshade to the top of the lamp by using E6000 and hot glue. And we're all done. All we need to do is add the light, and we are in there. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like the vase more than you like the lamp, or the lamp more than you like the vase. I don't know, I like both of them. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you that continue to watch my videos, that subscribe to my channel. For all the love and support that you show me, I really appreciate it. Thank you, and see you next time.